Welcome back. In this video we are going to cover flanges. And flanges are placed features. They need an edge. They do not have to be sketched. Actually, they can't be sketched. So again, working with our dialog boxes top to bottom and then move to the next column, top to bottom, first thing it's asking me for is edges. So here if I click an edge, it's going to bend up. And I can click multiple edges then. Here I can flip my direction so I can go down. Now when you select the opposing edge, it defaults to down from the bottom of the sheet. So we can unselect that by holding Control on the keyboard and clicking the edge and then clicking a new edge. So we can make a 3, 1, 2, or 4-sided tray here. Distance is either a set value that we list down here, or 2 could be up to a work plane. And we would use that 2 extent if we had, let's say, another feature that we knew was going to change, that it was always tied to it. So it's adding some more parametric control in there. So we can make this a lot taller, we could make it shorter, whatever we need to do. They all do need to be the same. So let's say, for example, if I needed a taller flange over here, I would have to go to my selected, hold down Control, pick that flange, hit OK. Now I can see that I've got all 3 sides there, and then I can add a new flange here that has a different height. We can also change the angle. Pretty self-explanatory. Bend radius is typically set to your material thickness. If you have an application that requires it different, you can go ahead and change that. And then our height datums here are basically where it bends from, or where the measurement for the length is taken from, excuse me. So in this one, it's measured along the flat. In this one, it's measured from the apparent intersection. And then we've got several different bend placements. Whether or not you need to change that is going to depend on your application and the size of your original sketch. So in this case, if we hit OK here, and we remember that we had a 6-inch rectangle before, I still have a 6-inch outside face, so, or face-to-face. So what it did basically was it shrunk the size of my original feature face to accommodate for the material thickness here. And then again, with everything else in Inventor, you need to change something, you can double click it by the button. Again, I'd stay away from the name to not accidentally rename it. And then you can change any value that you like. So we can change that to say 35 degrees, and there we've got that. So that's going to cover flanges. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.